of Manisha. I will teach you 3rd standard mathematics subject. In the previous lecture, we have learned whole hundreds and hundreds. Today, we are going to start number 1. Next topic, 3-digit numbers introduction. See the book. This topic, see the book. In the empty boxes, write the number in word. See the table. Crayons, hundreds, tens, units. Number, there are 2 columns in figures, in word. See the first column. What is this? A box of 100 crayons and 1 single crayon. Means we write 100 column 1. Then 1 single crayon, that's why we write here 1 unit place. And no given tens place, that's why we write here 0. In figure, which number? We get 101. Okay. Write in word. This number write in word. 100. HUND RED 100 and ONE 1. See again. 100 column 1, 10 column 0, 1. Then in figure 101, 101. Okay. See the next picture. A box of 100 crayons and 2 single crayons. Means we write 100 columns 1. Unit column 2 single crayon. That's why we write here 2. And tens column not given. That's why we write here 0. We get which number? 102. In word. 102. number we get? We get 109. Write in word hundred, HUNDRED, and nine, NINE, 9. See the next picture. What is this? A box of 100 crayons and a packet of 10 crayons. Means we write 100 columns 1. There are 10 packet have 10 crayons. Means we write 110. And single crayon, no crayon symbol, means we write here 0. In figure, which number we get? We get 110. We write 100 and 10. Understood this topic? See, suppose we learned 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110. Correct? In figure also, in word also. We write like this. Spelling also 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 6, 107, 108, 109, 110. Here we write in word after 111, 112, 113, like this. 14, 115. We write we write in figures 101 to 150 in figure and in word. In word also we write 101 to 150. That is your homework. Okay? This topic again see on digital code.
Three-digit numbers. Introduction. In the empty boxes, write the number in words. Here we have crayons. And the next columns are hundreds, tens, units. Now we've got to write the number in figures and in words. Let us see the first picture. Here we have a box of 100 crayons and one more crayon, which means it is 100, 0 tens, 1 unit. In figures it would be 101 and in words 101. The next picture has a box of 100 crayons and 2 more crayons, which means it is 100, 0 tens, 2 units. In figures it would be 102 and in words 102. Now the next picture has 100 crayons and 3 more crayons, which means it is 100, 0 tens, 3 units. In figure it is 103, in words it is 103. Now the next picture. The next picture has a box of 100 crayons and 4 more crayons. Well, which means it is 100, 0 tens, 4 units. In figures it would be 104 and in words it would be 104. Now the next picture. A box of 100 crayons and 5 more crayons, which means it is 100, 0 tens, 5 units. In figure it would be 105 and in words it is 105. Next is a box of 100 crayons and 6 more crayons. So it would be 100 0 tens, 6 units. In figures it would be 106. In words it is 106. Now we have a box of 100 crayons and 7 more crayons. So it means it is 100 0 tens, 7 units. In figures it would be 107 and in words 107. Let us see the next picture. A box of 100 crayons and 8 more crayons. Well, that means it is 100 0 tens, 8 units. In figure it is 108. In words, it is 108. Now the next picture, it has a box of 100 crayons and 9 more crayons. So, it is 100 0 tens, 9 units. In figures, it is 109 and in words, 109. Now the last picture, a box of 100 crayons and 10 crayons, which means it is 100, 110, 0 units. In figures it is 110 and in words it is 110.